You're listening to Haywaa.com. Here is the latest news. WebGPU works on all major browsers, delivering desktop-class graphics to the web. WebGPU is a new standardized graphics API that has been supported by all major web browsers, including Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari, providing cross-platform capabilities for advanced graphic and AI applications. The development of WebGPU involved major tech companies, including Google, Microsoft, Mozilla, and Apple, replacing the older WebGL standard, which could not accommodate modern graphics hardware. With WebGPU support for compute shaders, it can efficiently handle machine learning models and computationally intensive tasks, enabling browsers to run applications like generative AI. Integrations with major graphics interfaces, such as Direct 3D12, Metal, and Vulkan, make WebGPU a robust tool for developers, facilitating smoother and faster graphic rendering and processing. Steam may expand to phones, tablets, and other ARM hardware. Valve is exploring ways to extend Steam's reach to mobile devices by enabling x86 games to be played on ARM-based chips through emulators and translation layers. With strategic support from developer Ryan Howdeck, the FEX emulator currently facilitates this crossover, allowing Windows titles to run on ARM hardware like Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors, found in Valve's upcoming VR headset, the Steam Frame. External manufacturers have shown interest in adopting SteamOS, indicating a potential shift towards Steam's integration into broader ARM-powered ecosystems. The development also opens opportunities should mobile platforms like iOS and Android allow for more open App Store policies, potentially evolving smartphones into Steam-capable devices. Samsung reveals ferroelectric NAND breakthrough to reduce power usage by up to 96%. Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology has unveiled a new ferroelectric NAND technology capable of dramatically reducing power consumption by up to 96%. This technology, by eliminating pass voltage, maintains a high multi-level cell density of up to 5 bits per cell, rivaling today's leading memory. Researchers corrected long-standing challenges involving capacity scaling and memory windows, finding a scalable solution involving FFETs. The development promises significant energy savings for AI processors and data centers amidst rising memory demands. NVIDIA leads the discrete GPU market with a 92% share, even as it shifts focus to AI. NVIDIA continues to dominate the discrete GPU market, holding a 92% share in Q3 2025, as reported by John Petty Research, despite a decrease from 94% in Q2. AMD increased its market share to 7% and Intel to 1%, leveraging NVIDIA's shift towards AI. This realignment comes as NVIDIA focuses more on AI hardware, leading to a decrease in their GPU market dominance. The Steam hardware survey reveals that NVIDIA GPUs are still favored, with the GeForce RTX 3060 leading among discrete cards. Samsung announces the Galaxy Z Trifold with a U.S. launch expected soon. Samsung has finally announced its highly anticipated Galaxy Z Trifold, featuring a unique trifold design with 2 hinges allowing the device to unfold into a 10-inch screen resembling an iPad. The phone, set to launch internationally this December, will initially release in South Korea and then expand to several international markets, including the United States, in early 2026. A state-of-the-art display boasting a resolution of 2,160 by 1,584 pixels and an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz highlights the features of this foldable phone. Since its remarkable design includes a cutting-edge 200-megapixel camera, among other advanced hardware specs, the phone is priced at approximately $2,450 in Korea. Raspberry Pi 5 introduces a 1GB model amid a series of price hikes. Raspberry Pi has launched a new 1GB variant of its Raspberry Pi 5, priced at $45, due to a global memory shortage. Eben Upton, founder, has announced price hikes for select Raspberry Pi 4 and 5 models, citing rising LPDDR4 memory costs. The price adjustments directly correlate with memory capacity, and smaller and high-capacity boards are seeing $5 to $25 increases. Upton considers these price hikes temporary, hoping for resolutions in the current memory supply challenges faced by manufacturers. OpenAI confirms ChatGPT will not show ads to users. A recent incident caused users to believe ChatGPT was displaying ads when it suggested apps like Peloton during conversations. OpenAI's explanation clarified that these prompts are part of a new feature within the app's SDK aimed at making ChatGPT more interactive and are neither ads nor monetized. The misunderstandings arose when prompts appeared irrelevant, leading to speculation about OpenAI's financial strategies, given its historical operational losses. The company emphasized the ongoing refinement of this feature to ensure relevance and clear distinction from advertisements. Google tests merging AI overviews with AI mode. Google has initiated a test where it integrates AI overviews and AI mode in search to allow users a deeper exploration from the search results page. This new feature, which was announced by Robbie Stein, will let users ask follow-up questions conversationally using Google's Gemini AI for enhanced interaction globally, but is currently limited to mobile devices. The Gemini AI, noted for its similarity to ChatGPT, has seen a growth to over 650 million monthly users, significantly increasing AI mode's appeal. This comes amid OpenAI's intensified efforts, marked by a code red, to improve its ChatGPT experiences due to competitive pressures. Kalshi raises $1 billion at an $11 billion valuation, doubling in value in under 2 months. Kalshi recently announced securing a $1 billion funding round, elevating its valuation to $11 billion. The raise, confirmed by a TechCrunch report, was led by Paradigm alongside Sequoia Capital, Andreessen Horowitz, and Capital G. This occurs merely weeks after raising $300 million at a $5 billion valuation. Kalshi's recent trading popularity stemmed from the 2024 U.S. elections predictions, but sports-related traits dominate its platform. Amazon challenges competitors with on-premises NVIDIA AI factories. In a strategic move, Amazon has unveiled AI factories to enable corporations and governments to deploy its AI systems directly within their own data centers, promoting data sovereignty by minimizing data sharing risks with external entities. This initiative, a collaboration with NVIDIA, offers the use of NVIDIA's advanced Blackwell GPUs and Amazon's Trainium 3 chips, integrating seamlessly with AWS features like Bedrock and SageMaker AI for enhanced model management and training capabilities. Interestingly, Amazon is not alone in this venture, as Microsoft also banks on NVIDIA's technology to roll out similar AI structures within its global data centers, enhancing their computing strength without openly catering them as private cloud solutions. Ironically, the increasing focus on AI by leading cloud providers is sparking a resurgence in private data center investments, much reminiscent of older times, highlighting a cyclical surge influenced by data management evolution and sovereignty concerns. Surprise! Another Square Enix game is now compatible with Switch 2. Nintendo has recently updated its compatibility list for the Switch 2, adding support for the Chrono Cross: The Radical Dreamers Edition. This follows the prior update for Nier Automata, sparking delight among enthusiasts looking to play older titles on newer hardware. Despite previous issues on the hybrid system, the game now performs consistently thanks to recent patches. This aligns with Nintendo's efforts to improve the game experience and respond to player feedback. You've just heard the latest news. Thanks for listening. This is Haywaa.com.